Or you may not think I'm pretty, but don't judge on what you see. I'll eat myself if you can find a smarter hat than me. You can keep your ball as black, your top hat sleek and tall. For I'm the Hogwarts sorting hat and I can keep them all. There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I'll tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor where dwell the brave at heart. The daring nerve and chivalry set Gryffindors apart. You might belong in Hufflepuff where they're just and loyal. Those patient Hufflepuffs are you and unafraid of toil. Or yet in wisely Ravenclaw if you have a ready mind, where those of wit and learning will always find their kind. Or perhaps in Slytherin you'll make your real friends. This cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So put me on, don't be afraid, and don't get in a flap. You're in safe hands, though I have none, for I'm the thinking cap.